Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5. So first of all, you have to open official website of the Fortnite.com. After that, you have to log in your account here. And then now you can see I have already logged in with my account. After that, you have to click on the profile icon here. And then you can see many options here. You have to click on the account button. After that, you can see many options here. You have to scroll a bit down. Now you can see apps and accounts. Click on it. After that, make sure to click on the accounts, not on the apps, and then scroll a bit down. Now you can see an option here, PlayStation Network. Click on the connect button. So after that, scroll a bit down and then click on the connect account. Add your email here and click on the next button. And then you have to add your password here. So add the password and then click on the sign in button. In my case, there is a server issue, but you can try again later. And in this way, you can put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on the PS5. So I hope you guys understand the video. If you guys like the video, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon and follow for more videos. See you guys in the next videos.